Hello, 911. I'd like to report a murder. Someone stabbed a dolphin with a mailbox.
I wanted to make a vine this morning, but I'm feeling a little hoarse.
What's it?
Hey, Bert, can I have one of those? Yeah, man, you can get you one, bro. Look, this is the last time I'm gonna let you mooch off my food, though, bro. Get on my nerve. Hey, that's why you dropped it.
Hello.
Coming. Oh my god. Dang.
What you want me to do with this? Eat it. Happy birthday to the queen.
Love you, babe.
Yay! Thank you. Do it again. Do it again. Do it.
Yep. Whip. Party.
Man, all you cows are stupid. Ha! What are you gonna do? What? Stupid cows.
Stop leaving your banana in my face. I don't even want it. Just kidding. I got it. Bloop.
Hey, buddy. Ah!
Look at this raccoon.
You bring me my money? No, sir. I have known the monies. Tony, get the boys. You know what to do.
You just rolled through the wrong hook.
Dog, if you ain't talking money, I don't want to talk.
You assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative.
Whoops. Did I do that?
Wiggle. Wiggle.
Oh, give him kisses. We're good. I'm just kind of getting vibes.
What's your favorite? Excuse me, Mr. and Mrs. Quackerstein. We would really like to know why you drowned your babies. Why did you drown your babies? What did they do to you? What did they do?
Yeah!
Hey man, I'm stuck in the corner. I'm trying to get you. Hey, I'm stuck.
Brr.
Run away! Yeah!
Oh, that's a good little deer. Oh, so cute. Not you!
I Yeah, what you looking at? What you looking at? Get over here. Oh yeah, it's on. It's on. It's on. It's on.
So there's a bunch of deer up there. We're gonna let my dogs out.
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see.
Oh, that's a nice jean jacket. Give me the jacket, mine. Love this jacket.
I'm a panda bear walking down the panda stairs.
Are you happy, lion? Are you a happy lion?
Just so many sales. 65% off, 90% of the stores.